Hello. I need an account.
A basic savings account today?
Yes, just a simple account.
Do you have your passport?
Here is my passport document.
Please fill out this form.
Should I write my address?
Yes, your full home address.
I will write it now.
Sign your name right here.
The paper form is done.
Do you have cash today?
I will deposit 100.
Hand me the paper money.
Here is the paper cash.
Let me count the bills.
Are the bills all correct?
Yes, the money is perfect.
Is my new account ready?
Yes, it is open now.
Do I get a book?
Here is your paper passbook.
Thank you for your help.
Have a very nice day.
I will come back soon.
Goodbye and take care, sir.
Good morning. I need cash.
Good morning. How much today?
I need $50 cash.
What is your account number?
My number is 50.
Can I see your ID?
Here is my photo ID.
Thank you. Let me check.
Is the account balance okay?
Yes. You have enough money.
Can I have small bills?
I will give you tens.
Yes, 5 $10 bills.
I am counting them now.
Please count them very slowly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That is exactly $50.
Please sign this paper slip.
I am signing it now.
Put the cash away safely.
I will use my wallet.
Keep it in your front pocket.
I always keep it safe.
Do you need anything else?
No, that is all today.
Have a good day, Leo.
Hello. I want to exchange. What currency do you have? I have American paper dollars. What currency do you need? I need the local money. How much will you change? I will change 200. The rate is very good.
What is the exact rate?
It is 1 to 5.
Are there any hidden fees?
No, we charge 0 fees.
That is a great deal.
Please give me the dollars.
Here are $200.
I will check the bills.
They are brand new bills.
Yes, they look very clean.
Let me count my cash.
It is 1,000 total.
Yes, the amount is correct.
Here is your exchange receipt.
Thank you for fast service.
Enjoy your stay in town.
I will enjoy my trip.
Have a safe walk outside.
I need to save money.
Saving cash is very smart.
How do you save money?
I keep cash at home.
Is it in a box?
Yes, a heavy metal box.
Do you put money daily?
I put $5 every day.
That is a good habit.
It grows very fast, too.
I spend too much cash.
Stop buying expensive hot coffee.
I really love fresh coffee.
Make your coffee at home.
That will save paper money.
You will see the difference.
I will buy a box.
Buy a box with lock.
I will start saving tomorrow.
Do not wait for tomorrow.
You are completely right, Jim.
Start with this $5.
I will keep it safe.
You will be rich soon.
Thank you for the advice.
Friends always help each other.
Hello, I must pay this.
Is that an electricity bill?
Yes, for my new apartment.
Pass the paper bill here.
Here is the paper document.
The total is $40.
I will pay with cash.
Please hand me the cash.
Here is a 50 bill.
I will get your change.
$10 change for me.
Yes, here is $10.
Will you stamp my bill?
Yes, I will stamp it.
The red stamp means paid.
Yes, the bill is fully paid.
Do I keep this paper?
Keep it for your records.
I will put it away.
Do you have other bills?
No, water is completely free.
That is very lucky, sir.
Thank you for your help.
Have a very good afternoon.
I am going home now.
Walk safely on the street.